Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open After Effects and create a new composition matching your footage settings. Import your green screen clip and any background assets into the project panel. Drag the green screen clip into the timeline above the background layer. Set the composition frame size to 16:9 and frame rate to match the source footage. Trim the clip and remove black edges using the mask and feather controls for cleaner edges. Enable the region of interest to speed previews when working with high resolutions. Save your project regularly to avoid losing work. Use incremental file names like V01. Apply the keylight effect to your green screen layer from the Effects menu. Use the screen color eyedropper to sample a mid-tone green area in the clip. Adjust screen gain and screen balance to reduce spill and recover fine details in highlights and shadows. Use the screen matte controls to refine transparency and clip black values precisely for a stronger matte. Soften edges using the matte choker and add a small Gaussian blur if needed to blend edges. Restore color by applying hue/saturation adjustments to the foreground layer only when necessary. Preview at full resolution for final checks, then render with correct settings. Place your keyed foreground over the chosen background layer and align timing precisely. Use position, scale, and rotation to match perspective and visual context accurately. Add light wraps by duplicating the background, blurring, and using screen blending mode to soften edges. Color match foreground to background with curves and lumetri color adjustments conservatively to avoid obvious shifts. Introduce subtle grain and motion blur to integrate elements and hide artifacts effectively across frame rates. Pre-render complex comps with proxies, then export using high-quality codec.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.